And we're going. All right, this is take 4 of the 1966 Bronco. My buddy Matt is helping me make this video. Mitch, I am the one filming. All right, this Bronco is totally redone. Blue paint job, obviously, black underneath. And we have, this is not a fuel tank. This is a dummy, and we have an air tank underneath. This is your fuel tank fill. These are 33s, Mickeys. Pretty good tread still left on them. We have James Duff suspension, dual in the front, single in the back. 302 engine, crate motor Ford. We have a winch. We have custom lights done, LED main and LED below, running lights. We also have, these are originals, and then we have lights down underneath too that were custom. There's your front axle. As you can see, really no scratches. We're gonna have this truck detailed on Monday, and I'm gonna have some belt work done just to make sure everything's clean and ready to go. As you can see, there's hardly any scratches, if any at all, but it is a 66 Bronco. This is the rear. This does open up, and so you get to the back. This is also a toolbox, not a fuel cell, but you can buy a fuel cell and stick it in there if you would like. Of course, rear custom lights in the back and a rear bumper. You do have to lock the hubs, and on the inside, let me show you, all custom stereo, Alpine. It is a 5-speed manual. Again, we were gonna custom and clean it all up for you. And then this is all your rocker panels and a lockable center console. Then here is the engine, dual batteries. Just put them in a few months ago. Blue tops, new distributor cap. We also put a new brake cylinder or master cylinder on there. Everything's running smooth, brand new air filter, and that's it. If you have any questions, call me. Thank you.